Welcome back, everyone. We are putting the sheets on today. Actually, this was recorded over multiple weeks due to weather, wind, and say health. It's taking a little while to get this one together just due to all that. This is a 360 video. Feel free to look around. However, there is not much to see other than right in front of you. This was quite a challenge to put these sheets up here. I did the bus by myself, but as you will see, I have decided not to do it by myself just due to sheer frustration of it all. And enjoy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
So cliche, I see the sparks you throw my way. I know your name is written on everyone's mind. Your whole show is captivating me, but don't think that I can see right through that disguise. But when you got close to me, you had me falling so hard, baby, yeah, now I get it. You got heads turning, and you don't even try. Well, would you look at that? My glass is empty, How about I get another drink, baby? Okay, I get it. You got fire burning, right there in your eyes. So when you got
Well, I spent all that time getting it prepped and ready to go for the bare metal 3M sealer. It is a double part epoxy with a self-mixing tip on it, and the interesting thing is it has a 6 minutes work time. So from the time I first start squeezing it out, I have 6 minutes to get the sheet up there and into place and seated. So Art's there to help anything I need to help. I appreciate his help in this whole process that he's been here for. And as you can see, it's more important than wardrobe to me. Can't do anything about it. Work clothes are work clothes. But I am going to get everything up there and then screw it on, and then we'll let it set up, and then we'll come back and put rivets in it later on. It's a big awkward thing. The sealer also is bare metal to bare metal, and that being aluminum, I had to go through and rough up the aluminum to get the oxide off. That way I'd get a really good solid connection. Otherwise I'd end up with a bad bond, and it'd probably be the oxide giving away and not actually the aluminum or the material giving away. This table I got at a salvage yard. It was actually, I bought it for scrap value. at a place here in town. It's really nice. I want to go back and buy some more. But this works good for now. I actually have used it a lot. And right now it's working as scaffolding. Oh, if I can get up. Oh. Hey. Anyhow, I'm going to get this on today. Somehow I'm going to get this on today. I got the rest of the sheet off. I got to clean it up. I got to clean up the cut line right up here where I cut it to raise the roof. It has to be re-welded back up so I get a nice solid square corner. So I'm working on that. You see I already got it welded right here. It's filled, grinded back down, and squared off. I'm about to come in here and support this. Same thing on this side is going to need some support. Really tore the heck out whenever I did it. But once that is done, I'll come in here and drop a support here and another support here. And maybe the support going up here. Is that this water falling? Probably was. We had rain last couple days. And then after that's done, welded, cleaned up, I'll finish removing all the paint here because I got 3M bare metal seam sealer for automotive. You can see a little bit. That's what I've been putting on all of this. And the whole point to pull that out is so I can get the new sheets right up in there. And that way they're kind of locked in. I'm also going to come back with some, I got the rivets in there, 3/16 rivets. I'm waiting on the drill bits. And I'll put some rivets in the lower portion and maybe even the upper portion. Give it more strength along here. And then you can see there's no supports in there. Those are waiting until I order my windows. Once I get the windows in here, I'll come in and fill all the supports in. And we'll start insulating. Also, I gotta start building this thing, and I'm hoping to start building on the floor soon. Probably add some supports up here too. I need to run that one all the way across so I have a full supported roof right there. Yeah, that's where we're at. I'll let you guys watch some time-lapse mode if I can find a good spot to put you. Let me say the welding is actually taking a lot longer than I originally planned due to learning curve, and I keep dropping the end of the welding tungsten into the welding pool, so I have to go clean it and replace it so it doesn't corrupt my welding pool. Needless to say, it makes it take a whole lot longer when that happens, but we will get her done eventually, for sure. I really actually enjoy the sitting up and the simple process of welding. It's just, I wish it was a little faster. And now I'm taking a break. I'm actually starting on the overhang portion. I have riveted and welded it, an L bracket to the 2x2 to give it some extra strength on the bed platform. Still work in progress, but we're getting there. boy, is it nice and smooth and almost done. At least that's done for the outside skin. Next is a bed overhang and filling in windows.